passé composé. So, le passé composé is not very difficult too. You need a pronoun, you need the verb avoir ou être conjugated at the present. So all of that you already know. And you need the verb at the participe passé. This is the only thing that you don't know. We will see it later. First, we review together avoir et être. Avoir, j'ai, tu as, il a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont. Être, je suis, tu es, il est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont. So this one, very simple. You already know it. Okay. So we have an example here of the participe passé. Ok. Mardi, j'ai parlé français avec Thomas. Mardi, j'ai parlé français avec Thomas. Ok. J'ai parlé. This is the passé composé. J'ai is the subject, sujet. Et is avoir conjugated at the present tense. And parler is the past participle, past participle of the verb parler. So how do we make it, the past participle? It's very simple. For the first group, the verb of the first group, we just take the infinitive, we remove er, and we just add et. So for parler, it becomes parler. Marcher, marcher. Rentrer, rentrer. We have an example. Hier, il a parlé français. For the second group, it's very simple too. We take the infinitive, finir, and we remove ir, and we just add i. Same for all the second group verbs. Hier, il a fini le travail à 17h. And for the third group, they are irregular. So this one, it's a bit more difficult. But let's see it together. So this one are the most important verbs of the third group. And you will have to memorize them. Because their participe passé is very different. For some of them, it's similar with their infinitive, like apprendre, appris, répondre, répondu. But sometimes it's very different, like avoir, eu. Okay, so you will have to memorize all of them. We have some example. L'année dernière, mon frère a appris le français à Paris. Appris. Appris, we can see, appris is here. So it's the verb apprendre. My brother learned French in Paris. Another example. Hier, j'ai fait du sport avec Thomas. Fait is here. It's the verb faire. Okay, let's continue. Okay, I remind you another time, the past participle, participe passé, you need a pronoun, the verb avoir or être conjugated at the present tense. And we will see later when to use avoir or être. And the verb at the participe passé. Okay, we have some exercise. I'll let you 5 seconds. You can pause the video now. Okay, so the answer for the first question is l'année dernière, il a voyagé à Paris 2 fois. L'année dernière, il a voyagé à Paris 2 fois. Next one. The answer is hier soir, nous avons mangé avec mes amis. Hier soir, nous avons mangé avec mes amis. Next one. The answer is mardi, j'ai regardé un film à la maison. Mardi, j'ai regardé un film à la maison. And we have a last one. Oh, sorry, went too fast. Okay. J'ai travaillé dimanche dernier. J'ai travaillé dimanche dernier.